Tony, we love you 3000. I remember dreaming about being an Avenger somehow. Tony would never allow, but now he'd be so proud. I remember when he took me to Leipzig. He told me it's on the down, no playing around. Then New York Mark came to town, and I would not pull out. This ain't fun, no, this ain't right. This Thanos dude knows how to fight. Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good tonight. I'm swinging through this town, afraid to come back down, 'cause he won't be around. Tony, we love you 3000. Just want one last time to hang out. Tony, we love you 3000. I woke up on Titan like nothing even happened. The doc calls me over. 5 years gone, time for action, whoa. This will be the biggest fight of my life. The Avengers all assemble, standing by my side. My heart's beating double, triple time. I gotta find Tony, make sure he's alright. I saved his butt, like you knew I would. I talk too much, he stares back like a robot. What? Holds me tight, grips me on my life. This is nice, Mr. Stark. Are you alright? I'm swinging through this town, afraid to come back down, 'cause he won't be around. Tony, we love you 3000. Now I'm out for the count. Tony, we love you 3000. Just want one last time to hang out. Tony, we love you 3000. Now I'm out and for the count. So is everyone, even Carol's gone. Iron Man lifts up his head, the nanotech giving him command. I just wanted more time with him. But we gotta move on. I'm swinging through this town, afraid to come back down, 'cause he won't be around. Tony, we love you 3000. And now I'm out for the count. Tony, we love you 3000. Just want one last time to hang out. Tony, we love you 3000.